Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Gul. Do you want to improve your English faster and smarter? What if I told you that AI can help you like a personal English tutor which is available 24 by 7? Today, I will show you the best AI tools that can improve your writing, listening, and speaking skills in English. So let's get into the video. AI for speaking and pronunciation. Yes, it is right that speaking English confidently is a big challenge, and AI in this matter play an eminent role in English to improve your English language journey. There are different types of apps in AI which improves your English speaking and pronunciation. First one is Chat GPT and Talkall AI. This app talks like a real person and it plays an amazing role in your conversation in English. The second one is Elsa Speak. Elsa Speak plays an prominent role in English language speaking and conversation. When someone answer to Elsa Speak, it feedback is instant and it improves your speaking skills. The third one is Yoglish. If you want to hear English like a native speaker, so Yoglish plays an important role in this problem. Yoglish speaks like a native speakers and pronounce words like a native speakers also. So if you want to speak like a native speakers and pronounce like a native speakers, Yoglish plays an amazing role in this problem. Now AI for writing. Writing in English is really a tricky task, but AI plays amazing role in this matter. There are different types of AI apps like Killbot AI and Grammarly and Hemingway Editor. These works amazingly in your writing issues in English. Killbot and Grammarly and Hemingway Editor makes your English writing mistakes very clearly improve, and if you give them complicated sentences, they can convert it into simple form. So if you want to improve your English writing through AI, so these three apps plays amazing role in this matter. AI for listening. Listening is just as important as reading, writing, and speaking in English language journey. So there are different types of artificial intelligence that can improve your listening skills. Number one is LingQ and ReadLang, which improves your article complications in listening. And the second one is Speechify, which turns any speech into natural speech and in simple text. And the third one is BBC English Learning AI, which is used for personalized lessons just for you. So AI is changing the way we learn English and you can starting it from today. So comment below my dear friends, which types of artificial intelligence are you going to try first? Comments below and don't forget to like, share and hit the notification bell so you will never miss any English learning tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.